We have another example on the board. Again, we have to make sure that the second degree term and first degree term are going to be placed on one side. I'm going to move 3x to the left side, and I have x squared minus 3x is equal 5. Next, you're supposed to always look at the second degree term. The coefficient next to it has to be always positive 1. So anytime there is nothing, there is always invisible positive 1. So this is perfect condition, okay, for our completing square method. So copy down x squared minus 3x plus, take the coefficient of the first degree term, so I have 3, divide by always by 2, and raise to the second power, equals 5 plus 3 over 2 to the second power. Whatever you add to the left side, you have to also add to the right side. Next, copy down this x minus 3 over 2, okay? I mean, copy down x, copy down this sign, which is between the second degree term and first degree term, and copy the base of this expression, equals 5 plus, and 3 to the second power is equal 9 over 4. Of course, don't forget about the square over here. Next, let's organize the right side. So we have x minus 3 over 2 to the second power equals, we can say this is 5 over 1 plus 9 over 4. In order to add these two fractions, I have to find a common denominator. Common denominator for these two fractions is 4. So I'm going to multiply this denominator by 4 times 4 and this numerator by 4. I'm going to have x minus 3 over 2 to the second power equals 20 over 4 plus 9 over 4. And I have x minus 3 over 2 to the second power equals 29 over 4. Next, you're supposed to take the square root of both sides of the equation, and you are going to have x minus 3 over 2 equals plus minus square root of 29 over 4. In order to find x, I have to move negative 3 over 2 to the right side, and I'm going to have x equals 3 over 2 plus minus square root of 29 over 2. Because square root of 29 is just square root of 29, and square root of 4 is equal 2. And you can rewrite your answer like x equals 3 plus square root of 29 over 2, or x equals 3 minus square root of 29 over 2. And these are the solutions to my problem.